Types of equipment. Understanding the different types of equipment used in workplace settings is essential for ensuring safety, efficiency, and proper handling. Warehouse tools, motorized machines, manufacturing systems, and heavy-duty machinery each play a specific role in daily operations. Proper training, correct usage, and regular maintenance are key to maintaining a productive and secure work environment.
Warehouse equipment.
Memo. To all employees. From John Hambro, Supervisor. Subject: Safety Training and Certification. We are going to discuss proper use of equipment. We are also going to discuss proper storage. Workers often misplace manual equipment. Examples include pallet jacks, hand trucks, and trolleys. Certification training is going to be available next week. This is for employees who operate motorized equipment. Please note our training schedule below. Monday, cranes. Tuesday, forklifts. Wednesday, scissor lifts. Friday, towing trucks and stackers. We also have some new equipment. We purchased 2 new cranes and 3 gravity conveyors. The cranes operate with chain hoists. Operators need to learn new procedures.
Manufacturing equipment.
Global machinery and industrial supplies. Air compressor, $1,000. 100 psi air pressure. 30 millimeter cylinder diameter. Conveyor belt, $5 per meter. 300 to 399 meters. Oil resistant. Die cutter, $10,000. Automatic slotted cutter, made of steel. Dust collector, $3,000. Used for sandblasting. Embosser, $5,500. Used for leather and paper. Furnace, $6,000. Huge heating capacity, smoke discharging system with safety devices. Grinder, $650. 115 millimeter grinding wheel diameter, compact. Laminator, $1,000. Aluminum shell, heats up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Machine press, $10,000. Includes double hands operation, urgent stops, and overload safety protections. Sheeter, $8,000. Automatic, includes a touchscreen. Spray booth, $9,000. 60 millimeter wall panel, includes damper controls. Workstation bench, $720. Includes lamps, stainless steel platforms, and armrests.
Heavy machinery.
𝗙់machinery. 𝗙់machinery started 50 years ago. We manufacture high-quality heavy machinery. Our equipment is reliable and long-lasting. We produce a wide variety of earth movers and specialized equipment. We manufacture earth movers such as backhoes, bulldozers, dump trucks, excavators. Our specialized equipment is award-winning. Use one of our skidders for a logging project. Or try one of our pile drivers. Pushing in posts has never been easier. Our best-selling machinery includes the following: scrapers, compactors, tractors, graders. We want to help you succeed. We offer affordable payment and maintenance plans for all our machinery. Place your order today.